Greetings, my name is Bill McKinley. I'm the director of the Benz School of Floral Design at Texas A&M University. Let's explore the techniques of successfully preserving our forever and ever hydrangea blossoms. The first, and the easiest method, is to air dry them. Simply hang the mature blossoms upside down in small bundles or individually in a low humidity, low light area, and in 2 to 4 weeks they will be ready to use as a dried flower. Be sure to seal your preserved flowers with a high-quality sealant made for dried flowers. The second method involves using a granular agent and your microwave oven. For optimal results, start with blossoms that are close to their prime, but not quite yet in full bloom. You will then need a container deep enough to completely cover the blossom, plus a ½ inch extra for the top and the bottom. The hydrangea stems should be clipped to about 1/2 inch long and place the flower upside down in the drying agent. Next, take a spoon and sprinkle the drying agent gently over the blossom, making sure each petal is covered, but not bent out of shape. The goal is to completely cover all petals so they are not visible. Now, set the dish in the microwave with a cup of water for 2 to 3 minutes, depending upon the blossom size. After your hydrangeas have been microwaved, take them out of the oven, but leave them in the granular agent for about a day or a day and a half. After waiting a day or a day and a half, gently remove the drying agent from around the flower. You will be pleased to uncover your preserved hydrangea blossoms as colorful and as beautiful as the day you picked them. It is important to spray your preserved flowers with dried flower sealant to keep your blossoms strong and moisture-free. Keep your preserved hydrangeas out of direct sunlight to prevent fading and store them in a cool, low humidity area. For more information on how to harvest or design arrangements with hydrangea blossoms, please visit foreverandeverplants.com.